Steps to overcome fear of driving. 1. Start small. Begin by driving in familiar, less challenging environments. 2. Identify triggers. Understand what specifically causes the fear and address those concerns. 3. Practice relaxation techniques. Use deep breathing or visualization exercises to reduce anxiety while driving. 4. Gradual exposure. Slowly increase driving distances or complexity to build confidence over time. 5. Seek support. Talk to a therapist or counselor for professional guidance in managing driving-related fears. 6. Positive affirmations. Encourage yourself with positive statements to shift your mindset towards driving. 7. Focus on the present. Stay focused on the road ahead rather than letting anxious thoughts overwhelm you. 8. Address underlying issues. Resolve any past traumatic experiences or negative associations with driving through therapy. 9. Drive with a supportive person. Have a trusted friend or family member accompany you for moral support. 10. Professional help. Consider seeking assistance from a driving instructor specialized in helping individuals overcome driving phobias. By following these steps, individuals can gradually conquer their fear of driving and become more comfortable behind the wheel.